Hello everyone, I'm going to take a moment and show you how to log in and register for your math courseware called MIKA by Carnegie Learning. The first time you log in, you'll simply go to online.carnegielearning.com, and over here where it says I am a student, click Set Your Password. You're going to be asked for your school ID, which your instructor will give you, and you'll also be asked for your username, which your instructor will also give you, but will most likely be your school email address. Then click Next. And on this page, you're going to be asked to set up your own password, whatever you'd like, but just make sure it's something that you will remember, and be sure to write it down in a safe place. Then click Set Password. And now my password is set and I can return to the sign-in page. So from now on, this is what you will see when you log in. You now have your Carnegie Learning account, so you will always log in over here on the right side with your username and the password that you just set up. And then you'll click Sign In. And on your home page, you will see an icon for tech support and an icon for your course. So over here on the left is tech support. This is your actual course. So just click on MIKA and the content of the course will load. Now behind this screen, you will see various modules, and these are the modules that you will be asked to complete during this course. Each one of the modules has units, and within those units there are different workspaces, which are the problems that you will be working through. The first time it loads, it takes just a minute to load all of the content behind the scenes. But you can see here, you've got 11 modules in this course. So I'm just going to click on one and click Let's Go. So the modules will open up with key terms and some information about what you will learn. These are the 3 workspaces in this module. There might be 1, there might be 2, there might be up to 5 or 6. And then many of the modules will open up, or workspaces will open up with a video that you can watch that will help you with the topic you're about to learn. So any of the key terms that you'd like to click on will automatically open up the glossary, and you can click here to have it converted into Spanish immediately, or you can click English to go back, and you can select any of the terms in the course. When you're ready to start the workspace, simply click over here in this orange box that says Let's Go. And the workspaces in this program are mastery based, which means the program is tracking your keystrokes behind the scenes, and it can recognize what topics that you have mastered and what topics you still need some additional work on. So you may be given additional problems based on that performance. So each one of the workspaces will typically open with an introduction of some kind, maybe a sample problem or an introduction that you can read through to get some more information about what you're about to do. You can also click down here where it says step-by-step example and do a step-by-step example that it's exactly like the problem you're about to work. Then you can always just click over here in the orange box at the top that says Go to Problem when you're ready to just start the problem. Up here you have a progress bar, and these are all of the skills that you do have to master to move on. So you will see these move up and down as you do well. So be sure to watch this, and that will gauge your success in this problem. You can also move this if you'd like to have more space on the left or the right, and you simply start the problem. You click over here to enter the units, and if you get to any point in the problem where you have trouble, you can always click on Hints. Now the hints are just additional material for you almost like a tutor is sitting next to you to help you with the problem. The first hint will be just a little bit of information to really help you try to think about it on your own. But if you still need help, you can click Next and go to the second hint, which will give you even more information and also highlight over here on the left what you need to look at to solve the problem. Now, if you still don't understand, you can get the third hint, which will actually give you the answer to the problem. And yes, you can go through and get many hints, but the more hints that you get, the software will recognize that you're not quite mastering the problem on your own, so it will keep giving you more and more problems. So it's to your advantage to try to do this on your own without the hints unless you really need them. But if you do need them, they're there for you and a great way to help you if you get stuck. And you can see here the progress bar has not moved yet because we have not answered anything correctly on our own. But at any time during the problem, you can always go back out to the step-by-step example. You can always go back out to the unit overview. And when you are done with this problem, you simply click over here, I'm done. And if at any time you have to log off, all of the work that you've done in this problem will be saved. So good luck and thank you very much.